Let's create a super easy ticket bot since this one has closed its business. Now I can set up ticket bot in just 1 minute, but for tutorial, it took more time. First invite the bot and drag it above all the roles with admin perm. Add staff or support staff role. Create a separate ticket channel wherein everyone role can't view the channel, but verify role or member role is allowed to view channel. Just make sure not to give send message perm. Now let's eat out old ticket bot since we don't need. I will show you even a better bot that works better and is easier to set up. Now go to the dashboard, log in with your Discord account, and after that select your server. Ignore the home page and go to panels on your left-hand side and click New Panel Plus button. Click Text Channel, since it's recommended. No need to add author link, name, and URL. We can start from description and then title. But if you want to do it, it's your choice. I already had a pre-made description. If you want aesthetic descriptions like this, just join my community server. We will add GIF links for thumbnail and for the divider. You can find them in my community Discord server. We have all kinds of server decors and layouts. On your top right-hand side, you can see your ticket embed preview too. Let's set a matching embed color, and this is how you do it. Now scroll down. Here you need to create buttons for your ticket. Click button row and add button. I will add only 2, you can add as per your need. Now name your button. You can add color to your button too and a cool matching emoji. Since you got an idea, I'll skip this part and there we go. Now click the settings icon on your button and scroll up. Did you see plus add question button? Hit that and write a question. Looks pretty cool, no? Now click required. It means user has to answer it to open the ticket. You can set the message characters and type as in paragraph or short answers. Now let's make custom embed content and add variable, which means when a user opens a ticket, you can pick if you want to see their username or user ID there. Once that's done, click Continue Editing Panel, since we need to edit the second button too. Go back to the same section, but this time click Settings on the Report User button. Now I will skip this part since you know how to add question, but this time instead of adding 1 question, we will be adding 2 questions. For second question, click Add Question, that's it. If a member is too dense, you can also explain your question in Question Placeholder section. Now everything is pretty same, so I will skip to the end product of report. Since our work here is done, let's go back. You can see our display panel preview. Now let's select a channel where the ticket panel will go to. This is why I asked you to create a separate channel. Now let's check if the panel has really gone to the channel we wanted to, and it did. Now let's test out these buttons. It works so well. Let's check the report button ticket. It seems to be working great. In fact, even better than the previous ticket bot. Now let's head back to dashboard because we need to add staff and do other settings. In open ticket channel, you can add logs or ticket channel here. In main ticket roles, add support or staff role. In blocked roles, you need to create a separate blacklist role which bans people from opening the ticket. Now this is cool. In this one, after a staff claims the ticket, you can pick if ticket should be private with just the staff and user in the channel, or you can pick other options. Now in close requires authorization, I suggest you enable it. That way, only staff can close the ticket. Also enable ping ticket role. That way, the staff will be pinged when ticket is opened. Now this is huge. In close tickets channel, you will only pick logs and nothing else. Otherwise, your channel will be spammed too much. Rest everything will be set on default, or you can enable or disable it as per your server needs. If you made a mistake, you can always go back to dashboard and edit it. Isn't this bot easier than the previous ticket bot? Even its premium costs just $1.47. You can support them if you like. So yeah, that is it for this video. The editing of this video had me all tuckered out. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Now what should be the title of this video? Maybe set up this ticket bot in just 1 minute. That would be cool. Are you seeing on the screen? Ticket bot is working so great here. After clicking go to ticket thingy, it will send the user to ticket channel. So yeah, that is it. If you have any queries, join my support server or the bot's support server. Both invite link will be in the description. And join my community server if you want decors or layout. And if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe button. It doesn't cost money.